Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can get instant, switchable privacy on pretty much any glass door you can think of, whether it's at home or in the office. We're going to break down exactly how it all comes together.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Any door? Seriously? And the answer is, yep, absolutely. We're talking about all kinds of glass surfaces that open and close. You know, from the sliding patio door you use all the time to those really cool, complex folding glass walls that can open up an entire room.
So yeah, it's totally possible. And it all comes down to some really clever, innovative wiring techniques that are designed specifically for moving glass. We're going to get into the nuts and bolts of how it all works right now.
Okay, so here's the plan for this explainer. First, we'll touch on the basics of how Smartglass actually works. Then we'll get into the specifics for sliding doors, swing doors, and even some other specialty types. And to wrap it all up, we'll look at how you actually control this newfound privacy.
All right, first things first. Let's really get a handle on the core technology. I mean, what is Smartglass, and what's the secret sauce that makes it so ridiculously versatile for just about any opening?
So at its core, Smartglass or Smart Film is a technology that lets you flip your glass from perfectly clear to a frosted, opaque state, just like that. It means you get to decide second by second when you want that wide-open view and when you need total privacy.
And what's amazing is how adaptable this system is. Seriously, it doesn't matter if your door swings, slides, or does that cool accordion fold thing. It works on doors with frames or without them. You can even get custom cutouts made for your exact handles or hinges, and there's no extra cost for that. So it literally arrives ready to go.
Okay, let's start with sliding doors. This is kind of the poster child for Smartglass applications. Why? Because the installation is super straightforward, and you get this incredibly sleek, modern finish. It's a great starting point before we jump into the trickiest stuff.
With a sliding door, it's a really clean, simple three-step process. First, you apply the film right onto the glass. Then, you tuck the wiring away inside a neat little harness or channel. And finally, you just connect it to a power source. It's an awesome option, especially because, let's be honest, traditional blinds or curtains can be such a pain on sliders. And check out all the different ways you can make the wiring practically invisible. You could use a dedicated wire harness, some simple L-shaped channels, or even this paintable flat wire. But if you want that ultimate, super minimalist look, you can actually hide the whole track in a false ceiling. Then, all you see is that beautiful, seamless glass.
All right, let's move on and tackle the most common door you'll find anywhere, the good old swing door. Now, this one's a bit of a puzzle. That constant back and forth motion makes getting power to the glass a real challenge. But don't worry, there are some very clever solutions out there.
So there are basically two main ways to solve this. First up, you've got magnetic connectors. These are cool because they only power the glass when the door is fully shut. Perfect for, say, a bathroom or an office that needs privacy. The other option, and this one's really slick, is using power transfer hinges. The wire actually runs right through the hinge itself. It's about as seamless as it gets.
Yeah, but that absolutely flawless look? It does come with a price tag. You're looking at around $400 for each of those specialized power transfer hinges. So it's definitely the top-of-the-line premium choice.
But hey, there's a fantastic middle ground option, the mini power loop. It's way more flexible and cost-effective. And when I say mini, I mean it. It's less than a quarter-inch thick. You can mount it super discreetly right on top of the door frame or even hide it inside the frame itself.
Okay, so we've covered sliding doors and swing doors. But what about those really unique setups? You know, like frameless glass doors, those cool folding accordion doors, or even doors that have a bunch of small individual glass panes, what are called mullion panels. This is where you really see how adaptable this system can be.
And believe me, for every one of these challenges, there's a solution. For frameless doors, a top-mounted wire loop is often the way to go. For folding doors, you can pretty much use any of the methods we've already talked about. And for those mullion panels, you just daisy-chain the power from one pane to the next, using that flat wire. It really is a complete system that's thought of everything. So now that we've seen how this system can be installed on pretty much any door imaginable, let's get to the best part, what it's like to actually live with it. Once it's installed, you have this effortless, total control over the privacy in your space.
You know, this quote just nails it. All that technical stuff, the wiring, the installation, it all just fades into the background. What you're left with is simple, powerful control. You get instant privacy exactly when you need it.
And controlling it couldn't be easier. It's designed to fit right into how we live today. You can use a simple switch on the wall, pull out your smartphone and use an app, or even hook it up to your smart home system and use voice commands.
So what's the big takeaway here?
It's that with the technology we have today, the limits are pretty much gone. Smart glass isn't some far-off futuristic idea anymore. It's a real, practical tool that can totally change how you use any room with a glass door. So the only real question left is, what space are you going to transform first?